Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into photography, video making, tech gear reviews and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. So pumped today because I'm starting a new series. I'm gonna give you some hints and tricks on how to get better at YouTube, how to upload a video, and all the secrets that I had to discover becoming a YouTuber. Today we're gonna talk about how to add hashtag above your titles on your videos, as you probably have seen around. It's really easy and it will take less than 20 seconds to show you how. Let's dive into it. Once you upload your video and you're nice and set and your thumbnail is filled in and you have your description, what you have to do is just get on the first line of your description and write down the 3 hashtags you wanna post. So just divide it by a space and then hit enter, complete your description, upload the video, click done when you're done, and YouTube will automatically erase that first line and put it above your title. It will disappear from your description. As easy as that. Yeah, very easy. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this pill. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe if you don't want to miss on all the other YouTube pills I'm gonna post very soon. I'll try to stick on a schedule, and I'll see you guys on the next video.